Hello students, here equation of plane perpendicular to given vector and passing through given point. So here equation of plane we have to calculate. This plane is perpendicular to given vector. Observe here I shown one arrow. This indicates a vector. Directed line start from here, it moving in this direction and passing through given point and passing through a given point. Look at here we can see two planes. This is one plane, this is also one plane. Here we have A be at any given point. I have to calculate equation of this plane. Equation of this plane. This plane is what? This plane which is perpendicular to this vector. Using this perpendicular vector and this line. ಸೊ ಈ ವೆಕ್ಟರು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ವಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ದೆನ್. So here we have a plane. I have to calculate equation of this plane. So for this plane we have one perpendicular vector. I shown this is a perpendicular vector moving like this. This is origin of coordinate axis. A be at any given point, right? If it is this is things we should require one more component. I will consider one more point P on the plane. So A is given point and P is considered point. So what we can do, if I join these two, this gives position vector A, this gives position vector R. Already we know about position vector. If I connect A and P moving in this direction, so here what we have, observe here AP and this n vector both are perpendicular to one another. This is the diagram required. So in this diagram what we have to write for examination. So here what they are given, let a plane through a given point which is the given point here, A is the given point with position vector A, right, and perpendicular to vector n. This is the given. After this given, we considered let R be a position vector of any point in plane. Then observe here, I joined A and P. After joining A and P, we got a vector AP. So vector AP, this whole plane is perpendicular to this vector. If whole plane is perpendicular means AP is also perpendicular to n vector. If these two are perpendicular, already we know AP vector dot n vector which is equals to 0 by dot product. We know how to write AP. Here P is final point, A is initial point. On the base of this one, vector R minus vector A dot n vector. This gives equation of plane perpendicular to given vector and passing through given point in vector form. In Cartesian form what we can do? In Cartesian form, already I told you, R is general point means the point P always has x comma y comma z, and A be any given point means given points are always in x1 y1 z1, right? And n be a vector, n is always contain direction ratios, has direction ratios ai plus bj plus ck So we have component from a point and vector apply to this formula. R means vector R minus vector A dot n vector which is equals to 0. R means what? We have xyz in component form, that is xi plus yj plus zk, minus with A means x1i plus y1j plus z1k, dot product of this one, that is ai plus bj plus ck. Later on, if you apply vector subtraction here with a respective component x minus x1 times of I plus y minus y1 times of j plus z minus z1 times of k, dot ai plus bj plus ck. Now apply dot product of these two vectors. Dot product is, here we have I component, here we have I component, that is a times of x minus x1 plus b times of y minus y1 plus c times of z minus z1, which is equals to 0. This gives vector equation. Thank you.